Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about programming language. Programming language is artificial language designed to communicate interaction to a machine, particularly computer. Used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine like rockets and televisions etc. Program is nothing. Program is a list of instructions that are given to computer to solve a specific problems. Program used to control the behavior of a machine. These are written like that. Types of programming language. There are two types of programming language: high level language and low level language. Low level language are further divided in two types: machine language and assembly language. High level language is also divided in two parts: object oriented or high level language. High level language is portable. It means if you write programs in HP, then you can transfer it to a Lenovo and run it. Statements are like English language, mean we can easily write high level programs like this. Translators are needed to run it on computer like compiler etc. If we write a high level program, then we must be translated it language to run it on computer. Types of high level language are procedural and object. Program is written as sequence of instruction like recipes, morning steps. In procedural, we explain our problems in a sequence. Start: I wake up, I brush my teeth, I open fridge, I take milk. In object oriented, program is an interaction of function between objects. Objects me, wake up, brush, object fridge, open and close. There are some advantages of procedural and object oriented programming language. In procedural, we use top down approach, and in object oriented we use bottom up approach. It does not have proper way for hiding data, but object oriented help us in wrapping data and functions in a class. Data is not secure in procedural language, but data is more secure in object oriented. Object oriented helps building secure programs. Code is interdependent in procedural language, but in object oriented code is modular. It means that we divide a large program in a pieces. Reuse difficult. In procedural language, most of programs are difficult to reuse, but in object oriented programming language can be extended for reuse.